Okay, Kim, this one's for you. Where are we gonna go? Aw, damn it, hold on. My location, she's gonna say it.
Drive 1.9 miles northeast, then exit right.
Oh, she said north before, but she did say northeast, north. We made fun of her.
Hey.
There is Kitty talking on the phone.
Not authorized.
It's not authorized to be talking and walking. It's like, you know, drinking and driving to the army. Hey!
Huh?
Can you see her? Can you see me? Now that's a sexy face. Okay, we're about to go swimming. Woo! Katie, how do you feel? Look at this. Ooh, all official. Look at her. Oh.
Don't.
I'm not going to say. Okay. Oh, she's covered in bags.
Huh?
She's the Army's bag lady. Okay.
Yeah.
All right. North.
In 1.9 miles, exit right.
Exit right.
I'll be bored out of my
Ooh. No, we don't want to go there. Where the hell do we want to go? Oh, I just cursed. Darn it. All right. Okay, bye.